make it 6 more.
And what a shot again. If the previous one was on the onside, this one's on the offside.
Stadium. Watch it every day of the week. Oh, brilliant. Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
See, get underneath it. And a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fina trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way. Now,
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the